Hello you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anusha Panikrai and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So as you read by the title, today's video is going to be get ready with me for Diwali, and a very happy Diwali to all of you guys. Wishing you all the happiness and good health. And if you guys want to know how I achieved this glam makeup look, then just keep on watching. And yeah, a small disclaimer that I'm not at all a makeup artist and this is not going to be a tutorial, and this is my way of doing makeup and the end result is best suitable for me. So yeah, if you wanna know how I get this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've already prepped up my skin with the moisturizer and sunscreen. So yeah, right now I'm gonna use this essential oil, and yeah, it's so important to use before using makeup because it hydrates our skin and it makes our skin ready to make up. So yeah, it's tea tree essential oil from the brand Old Tree. I'm just put it. This much. Just gently massage it around my cheeks and forehead. Yeah, it's done. And right now I'm gonna use the primer, and it's from MAC Prep Plus Prime. It can use as both fixer, makeup fixer and primer. I can see the change after using primer because when I was not using primer, my foundation was getting too patchy. I was looking so bad on my skin, and right now I can see the change after using the primer. Okay guys, my face is completely prepped up for makeup right now. So yeah, we are going to start our Diwali special makeup. So yeah, let's begin it. And yeah, I'm starting my makeup with this foundation. It's from PAC Cosmetics HD Liquid Foundation. Well, I'm not a foundation person. I don't use foundation on a daily basis. But as it's a glam look, as it's a Diwali look, so yeah, foundation is a must. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little pump of it. Then I'm gonna wet my beauty blender. I'm gonna pat it on my face, and my mirror is over there, so that's why I'm looking over there. Just don't forget to apply it on your neck. Tap it very slowly on your face so that it will blend properly on your skin. Don't go rush while doing this. Take some time to blend this. So the foundation work is done. Right now I'm gonna use the concealer to conceal my under eyes and all the blackheads that I have. So yeah, concealer conceals the face, and yeah, it brightens up the dark area of your eyes. So yeah, always go for a lighter shade of your skin. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade Pure Beige. So again I'm using this beauty blender to blend my eyes. So guys, the concealer and foundation part is done, and right now I'm gonna fix this with this MAC Studio Compact Powder. So Okay guys, my base is completely done. If I'm looking like so bright right now, don't worry, it will be set up and the final result will be good only. So yeah, right now I'm gonna fix my eyebrows with Wet n Wild Ultimate Brows. It defines your face and it gives a shape to our eyebrow. So yeah, please use eyebrow if you're not using till now. I'm just using this pulley to set my eyebrows. I will use this pencil to create a shape. So guys, as you can see, my eyebrow part is done. So right now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's from Huda Beauty, Nude Obsession, and it's in the shade medium. So first of all, I'm gonna use a lighter shade. This one I'm gonna use. Guys, I'm completely new to eyeshadow look, so please don't judge me. I'm just trying my best, and always try to start your eyeshadow with the lighter shade, then go for any dark shade. So guys, I'm done with the lighter shade, and right now I'm going to use this shade over my crease area. I'm just taking a little bit of it and then I'm just tapping the excess from it. Then I'm just gonna apply it on the crease area. The pigmentation of this eyeshadow is so good, like it's amazing. So guys, then I'm gonna use some concealer under my crease area, like right here, and then I will put some shimmer because it's a glam look. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I have already applied the concealer under my crease area. So right now I'm gonna use this pinkish shimmer to glam my eyeshadow look. I'm just using my finger. I'm just putting it on the concealed area, just like this. And then I'm gonna use this shade just to define the crease area properly. Right now I'm going to use this eyeliner is from Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner just to define my eyes. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Eyeliner work is done, and right now I'm gonna use the mascara, and the mascara is from Voluminous Lash Paradise L'Oreal Paris mascara, and I love putting mascara on my eyelids. So guys, my eyeshadow and eye part is done, and it's time for some blush. So for the blush, I'm using my light pink lipstick only, and I always do that. It works for me. So yeah. Now it's for the highlighter time, and yeah, my favorite is highlighter, and I just put a lot of highlighter on my face. For the highlighter, I'm using the Master Chrome Maybelline by Face Studio highlighter, and it's by far the best highlighter, I would say. And I'm just putting it on my nose area, then under my eyebrows, and around my lips. And my highlighter thing is done. And here comes the last and the most important part, which is lipstick. And I'm going to use what lipstick today? And I will be using this liner, and it's from K Beauty. And guys, one thing, all the products that I have already mentioned are in the description box, so I will provide all the links of the products, and if you really want to know, then you can go and check my description box. And for the lipstick, I'm using the Sugar lipstick, and it's in the shade Tick Mystic. And I love Sugar lipsticks, guys. Starting from the bullet lipstick to liquid lipstick, all of them are so good. Okay guys, my makeup is almost done, and right now it's just time to fix the makeup. And I'm using this fixer only, MAC fixer, that I have already used as a primer. Let's just fix it. So as you can see, my makeup is all done, and now it's time to change into my Diwali outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly change my outfit, and then I will show you the whole look in a while. So yeah.
I wish that you were here right now. I wish that you were here, my dear. It's always so hard when you are gone. I've traveled many miles with you, and I travel across the world, it's true, just to see the pretty smile again.
So guys, that was it for this video. And yeah, don't burst any crackers, as it's not safe for our environment. Just enjoy the Diwali with family, lighten up your house with all the diyas and lights, and then eat a lot of sweets. Yeah, don't forget to get ready like me. That will make you all happy, and post pictures on social media, which is a trend these days. And yeah, let me know how did you like this glam makeup look of mine, and let me know in the comment section, and rate my look in the comment section below. And yeah, enjoy the day, and yeah, very happy Diwali guys again. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for all the new videos, upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit the like icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah guys, signing off now, and bye, take care.